Looking for the best portable air compressor in 2026? In this video, we review the top portable air compressors for tire inflation, home garages, workshops, and DIY projects. We compare performance, airflow, portability, noise levels, durability, and overall value to help you choose the right model. Whether you need a compact tire inflator or a powerful compressor for tools, these top-rated picks deliver reliable performance wherever you need it. Number 3. The Etenwolf Vortex S6 Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor is a heavy-duty, cordless air pump designed for drivers who need speed, reliability, and convenience. Built to handle everything from pickup trucks and off-road vehicles to bicycles and inflatable gear. This compact inflator delivers impressive performance in a portable package. Powered by a massive 19,200 mAh lithium battery, the Vortex S6 can inflate up to 18 F-150 tires from 30 to 35 psi on a single charge, making it an excellent companion for road trips, camping adventures, and emergency situations. Its dual-cylinder design produces an impressive 1.5 CFM airflow and can inflate a 31-inch tire from 30 to 35 psi in about 1 minute. With a 160 psi maximum pressure and gauge accuracy of plus or minus 1 psi, users can expect fast and precise results every time. One of its standout features is the 100% duty cycle, allowing continuous operation without mandatory cooldown periods. The intelligent auto-stop function, 7 preset modes, and pressure memory simplify operation, while the bright 1,000-lumen LED light doubles as a useful work light or camping lantern. Users praise its ability to quickly inflate truck and trailer tires while maintaining excellent battery life. The included carrying case enhances portability, and the USB-C 45W fast charging capability adds versatility. Overall, the Etenwolf Vortex S6 is a powerful, dependable inflator that delivers exceptional value and peace of mind. Number 2. The DeWalt 20-voltage max tire inflator, DCC020IB, is a versatile and highly portable air compressor designed for vehicle owners, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who needs reliable inflation on the go. Combining DeWalt's trusted durability with multiple power options, this compact inflator is an excellent addition to any garage, workshop, or emergency roadside kit. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to operate from 3 different power sources: a DeWalt 20-voltage max battery, a 12-voltage DC vehicle outlet, or a standard 110-voltage AC power source. This flexibility ensures you can inflate tires, sports equipment, air mattresses, and inflatable rafts almost anywhere. The high-pressure inflation mode with automatic shutoff allows users to set their desired PSI, and the unit stops automatically once the target pressure is reached, preventing overinflation. The built-in digital gauge provides accurate pressure readings, while the threaded chuck creates a secure connection to tire valves for hassle-free operation. An integrated LED work light adds convenience during nighttime emergencies or low-light conditions. The inflator also includes high-volume inflation and deflation modes, making it useful for larger inflatables beyond vehicle tires. Customer reviews consistently praise its portability, power, and ease of use. Many users appreciate the cordless convenience when paired with a DeWalt battery and note its effectiveness for everything from car tires to beach inflatables. Overall, the DeWalt DCC020IB is a dependable, feature-rich inflator that delivers excellent performance wherever you need it. Number 1. The Craftsman wall-mount air compressor with 8-piece accessory kit is a compact, versatile, and user-friendly solution for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and garage workshops. Combining convenience, portability, and reliable performance, this air compressor is ideal for tire inflation, light pneumatic tool operation, and various household tasks. Powered by a 1.5 HP electric motor, the compressor delivers up to 125 psi of maximum pressure, providing sufficient power for inflating car tires, bicycle tires, sports equipment, and other everyday applications. The integrated 0.5-gallon mini tank helps maintain steady airflow, while the quick recovery time of approximately 20 seconds improves efficiency during repeated use. One of the standout features is the 30-foot retractable air hose, which offers excellent reach and helps keep workspaces organized. The wall mount design saves valuable floor space, making it perfect for garages, workshops, and utility rooms. Despite its powerful performance, the compressor operates quietly compared to many traditional air compressors, creating a more comfortable working environment. The included 8-piece accessory kit adds extra value, featuring a blowgun, tire chuck, inflation needle, pressure regulator, safety nozzle, and quick connect fittings, allowing users to tackle a variety of tasks right out of the box. Customer reviews consistently praise its quick inflation speed, quiet operation, and convenience. Many users find it significantly faster and easier than handheld pumps or small 12V inflators. Overall, the Craftsman wall mount air compressor delivers excellent performance, versatility, and practicality for everyday garage and home use. That wraps up our review of the best portable air compressors in 2026. Whether you need a reliable tire inflator for emergencies, a versatile compressor for DIY projects, or a powerful unit for your garage, there's a great option on this list for you. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and buying guides. Share your favorite air compressor in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.